Welcome to Japanese Mom's Kitchen. I would like to teach you how to cook everyday Japanese food and a bit of Japanese language as well. You can find many videos with traditional Japanese cuisine, but I want to show you what Japanese people usually eat. My first recipe will be about rice, a staple food in Japan. And we will use it to make onigiri, a dish close to every Japanese heart and stomach, of course. Please enjoy it. If you have a rice cooker, please use it. But I will show you how to cook delicious rice easily, even if you do not have one. Please, by all means, press the like button to support us. Let's start cooking. You will need KOME rice, 400 cc, MIZU water, 440 cc. Prepare the pot with a matching lid. At first, rinse the rice. These are the steps. Pour the water into your bowl with rice. When it becomes white, pour it out. Mix the wet rice with your hands for about 20 times. Pour the water out again. Mix it and discard it. Repeat the process until the water becomes clear, but without the dry mixing in between. In Japanese language, we have a special expression that describes washing, rinsing the rice few times before cooking it. We say,
米を研ぐ。米を研ぐ。
Do that process as quick as possible. After that, put the rice into the strainer and leave it to strain for 10 to 20 minutes. Put the right amount of water and rice into the pot and start cooking on medium heat. When the water boils, cook for 10 minutes on low heat. Turn off the heat and wait for 15 minutes without opening the lid. Rice will be steamed in the pot and it will taste deliciously when served. It is time to show you how to make rice balls or onigiri in Japanese. When I was a student, my mother prepared them for breakfast and for bento, Japanese lunchbox. Japanese rice is stickier and sweeter than the other types of rice, so it is easier to shape it, which allows us to make rice balls. If it will be too difficult for you, try making rice rolls. You can find them in my other video. You can use basically anything for onigiri filling as long as it is a good match with rice. In this video I will introduce most common onigiri filling, tuna mayo and umeboshi. There are two ways to make onigiri. One is with the filling in the center of it, and the other is with filling mixed with rice. If using mayo, it is better to put it in the center of onigiri. Wet your hands in water and put some salt on them. Take a handful of rice and put it into your palm. Press the center with your finger to make space for filling. Put the filling in it and cover with rice. You can shape it as a triangle or cylinder. Triangle shape we call
三角おにぎり
and cylinder is
俵おにぎり
Tavara is shaped like a straw bale that was used to transport rice. Finally, it is wrapped with nori seaweed. I really like Japanese rice because it's sweeter, it has a bit richer taste, it's also quite easy to prepare, and I also think it's very easy to use it with our dishes, since we also eat rice and we have many rice dishes, so it's convenient to use Japanese rice in our own rice dishes.